We have gotten this thing to work, and by this thing, I mean this smart Meross thing here. So this smart thing, I did need to wait for this accessory to come over and for it to work. So now, essentially, this is kind of stupid because I had thought this would just be hardwired into our garage door opener, but it's not. It has to connect separately to this because this thing cannot use the frequencies to actually use it. So I've wired this, plugged this in all the way over here. We'll walk over here to see what this looks like. I'll show you on the app too. So this is, again, not the prettiest, but again, I was limited on wiring. So I essentially did every stud. I tried to staple it in, so you can see that over here, that there's a staple here, like 5-6 staples, and then staples here, and then into this stud here, all the way down here where the actual bits are. So this is magnetic, so this actually stays on perfectly fine, and there's a sticky on here, so I didn't actually screw this in. So I don't think that's gonna be a huge issue, but this one is stickied in, and I did screw these in too. So I'll show you the app, but I can open it a few different ways, but this just works like a garage door opener. But now the Meross device here knows now if it's open or not. So it connects through the app and you walk through all the steps. I don't wanna walk you through that. It's pretty boring, but it takes you through the app. But basically, to program this, you open this up, you press the program down, and then you push the learn button on your garage door opener, and then press that, opens up. So that's working. I'm hoping that the programming that I've done did not, oh well, we'll show you on the app right now, but hopefully that did not unprogram other devices. So I'm gonna have to hook this up here so that this can just stay out of harm's way. This is connected through these two connectors here. Normally, if you have a compatible garage, this will hook up into your signal, which is hooked into your wiring over here, which is, that's our garage door opener. So that's wired this way, all the way over here, down here, into the signal wires here. One's a radio and one's like the activation to open or close the garage. So let me switch over here to the actual app and we'll show you what's going on. So on the app here, you can see I named this Supermoy, and I can just click this and then the garage door opens. So all of this gets added through the app here. So you basically go through this here. So once that's open, you can see status is open now, and then it'll give you notifications when the actual garage door is open for more than 15 minutes. But you can add smart garage door opener. We had the MSG 100, so I got this for my Christmas gift compatibility check. So this shows me if I actually had a garage door that was fully compatible, and it turns out that I didn't, so that's why I needed that accessory. And they send you that for free, which is nice, but it was just annoying because, you know, when I looked at mine, ours was like a Craftsman, but it also says Chamberlain on it, which was super annoying. So basically they have you look at the actual garage door. So this is one that I chose, and then you have to open this up here to actually find the learn button. So when you find the learn button, you select, this one's yellow, and then it actually gives you a compatibility check here. This is what mine looked like. And then you say, yes, it is. And then it says, need accessory. So then it goes through a whole process of acquiring the accessory. So you fill up all of this information and then they send you one. So I didn't know this, but this way we can go already got, and then it shows you all of the steps here on how to actually get this installed here. Ours was like the basic version here, and then you connect and do all this other things. So yeah, so everything is connected, and you can see here, everything seems to be working. So that's great. You can program this here to actually do, like, let's say a smart thing. So you can say, you know, if my garage door opener or whatever is open for 15 minutes, close it or something like that. So we're not going to do anything like that, but this will help us open the garage door if we're not here. Back to the reason why we did this. So essentially, I had a friend who set up a smart garage, and he opened the garage for me when he wasn't there. And I thought that was just kind of cool. So yeah, that's why we bought this and set this up. It was a bit finicky and I was a little bit late to start doing everything, but yeah, everything was fairly straightforward. The garage setting up learning portion of it always ends up being a little bit weird for me, but I had to set it up, program. Again, it says it in the directions. So basically on the remote, I had to program it and basically say, program, and then hit the learn button, which is the big yellow button on this particular garage, and then keep clicking it, as in the remote, the one button. And as I was clicking the one button, waiting for it, the garage to respond. So I heard it flicker, it turned on the light bulb. Then I was like, good, test it out, press it once, press it twice. You also have to click the program button, which is, again, right here on this device. You have to take off the cover. And once you take off the cover, there's a big kind of circle button. You press that, wait till it's solid, and then you're in program mode. Once you're in program mode, then you start doing that learn. So on the button here, you press the yellow button. And then once that's done, then you're pressing this one button here to program it. And then once you get that click, then you press the circle button on the program in here, and then you should be good. You keep pressing this until you get the reaction that you want. Now we want to test this out just to make sure that our control is also working too. So that's working, so that's good. So everything's working. Cool. We're all good to go. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I'll leave a link to this. The greatest part about this is that you can hook it up to your Wi-Fi and use it, so that you don't actually have to be at home to open or close the garage. You can get notifications if you leave town or something like that and your garage door is open and you forgot to close it, that sort of thing. So this is really great stuff, similar to like if you get a home alarm that's connected to the Wi-Fi, you can know if the alarm is on or off when you leave. So with that said, this thing was a pretty low cost thing. Again, no subscription, unlike the bastards that are making these garage door openers, making you pay for a subscription. Don't do that, buy this instead. It'll save you a lot of money in the long run, but that's all she wrote for this one. Thank you for watching. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and we will see you in the next video.